It's me, Syne Dela Cruz, ang babaeng maasin! For today's video, I'm going to share to you my Valentine makeup look. Yes, happy Valentine's to all of you out there. I wish you good, happy, and healthy heart. Yes. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, we need to moisturize. So I'm using this Eye White Aqua Moisturizer. And after that, we'll have the primer. I-moisturize muna natin tong lips natin. I'm using this Vaseline Lip Therapy Advanced Healing. There you go. And then, you wipe it down. And now for our base, I'm gonna use this Dynamic Duo BB plus CC Stick of Lux White. Gusto ko to kasi light coverage lang siya, mga besh. Meron siya nitong brush dito sa kabila niya, but gagamitin ko itong beauty blender natin. Ayan. I'm gonna use this Face Lady Concealer. Gagamitin ulit natin itong blender natin. For my blush on, ang gagamitin ko is itong Nichido Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade of Cheeky Blush. Lalagay ko lang dito. This one, hindi ko to nilalagay sa lips ko. For my cheeks lang talaga. So, no worries. There. For my setting powder, I'm gonna use this Pond's White Beauty Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Powder. And after that, magkikilay na tayo, besh. Gagamitin natin itong Everblend Advanced Silky Brow Liner in the shade of Chocolate. Ayan, maliit na niya kasi gamit na gamit ko to. For my eyeshadow, gagamitin ko ulit itong Nichido Lip and Cheek Tint. So, ganito lang ang ginagawa ko, mga besh. And after that, nilalagyan ko siya nitong BYS Highlighting Trio. Ilalagyan ko din dito sa under eye ko. And gagamit din tayo ng eyeliner. There. And after that, magpo-contour tayo dito sa my nose. Gonna use this little sponge. Wipe na natin tong lips natin. Yung nilagay nating Vaseline kanina. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this Everbilena Crease Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is my everyday lipstick, besh. In the shade of Learn. After that, lalagay tayo ng highlighter. Gagamitin ulit natin itong highlighting trio ng BYS. And ito na yung gagamitin natin. Lagay natin dito sa gusto nating i-highlight. And gusto ko din maglagay dito sa may nose bridge ko. Dito. Lagyan natin ng highlighter para mag-shine tayo. Gusto ko maglagay nitong glitters na white. Ganyan lang natin and let's just top it. Mga besh, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ginawa natin ngayong araw na ito. And if you have any suggestions for my next vlog, comment down below. And if you like this video, click it and you're here, so you might as well subscribe. This has been Syne Dela Cruz. Stay positive and hydrated. Bye!